Yes. So we've gathered here at Kharda Works. You can see some of us colleagues are waiting here for our honorable guest to come down for the plantation. We have Mr. Gautam Biswas standing here, who will be giving a presentation after the plantation program. We have Mr. Tiwari, Mr. Hajarika, Mr. Sushanto Roy, Mr. Malik, Mr. Atanu Chaudhary, Mr. Datta, and last but not the least, the gardener. Come here. The gardener standing, without whom it would not have been possible to plant, to make the arrangements, in fact. Mr. Mujammil is also here, who's doing the videography here, and Mr. Pramod Chaube is here, who's backing me up in case we have any network problem. Amongst us, we have Mr. Jaina and our director, cum CEO, Mr. Sunil Katyal, who will be planting the trees here. In fact, we'll be planting one sapling here. So before we start, just a second. Before we start off, could I request Mr. Katyal to say a few words, sir, on today's occasion?
नहीं, पहली बात तो ये है कि आज के दिवस पे, ये शुभ दिवस पे सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई। और मैं समझता हूँ कि ये एक नए दौर की शुरुआत हो रही है। कोविड के चलते में हमारा जिंदगी का ढंग बदल रहा है। मेरी आप सबसे यही गुजारिश है कि ये आज की सबसे बड़ी डिमांड है और ये हमारे लिए अनिवार्य है। एक्चुअली मन से करेंगे तो बहुत ही अच्छा होगा, सुंदर होगा और टिकाऊ होगा कि हम जो ये नए नॉर्म्स बने हैं, नई प्रिकॉशन सामने आ रही हैं, इनको अच्छे से फॉलो करें। और ये जो हमारा अभी हम बात ही कर रहे थे कि ये जो पर्यावरण है, इसको ऐसा शेप दें कि पहली बात है कि कोविड को और ना फैलने दें, और उसके अंतर्गत हम लोग ऐसा कर पाएँ कि ये जो प्रोडक्टिव काम है इसको वापस ट्रैक पे लाना है। हमें एज ए नेशन, एज ए सोसाइटी, ये बहुत लाजमी है कि हम जल्दी से जल्दी जो है प्रोडक्टिव काम को वापस लाएं, ताकि हमारी इकोनॉमी वापस आए और ज़िंदगी भी सेफ तरीके से चलती रहे, और उसके साथ साथ में जो है काम भी हो, और जो रोजी रोटी के मसले हैं, हमारी देश की इकोनॉमी का मसला है, वो जल्दी से रास्ते पे आए। मेरे ख्याल में मुझे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लेना चाहिए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और बहुत बहुत बधाई।
Thank you very much. It's scorching heat out here, so we would not like anybody to stand here. We'll go straight to the plantation program. So Katyal planting the tree here, helped by the gardener Kesto. He'll be watering the plant. I remember an old song saying Baharo Fool Barsao, and nowadays in this weather we don't have that Bahar, so we have to keep a promise and take an oath that we give some time to nature. For this time for nature. I hope everybody out, whoever will be giving some time to the nature so that we can keep the balance running. We have a round of applause also for this plantation, please. Out time in this busy schedule, coming and joining with us, sir.
अरे ये फॉर्मल बात की कोई हम सब साथ हैं तो सबका टाइम इकट्ठा ही है
Thank you,
ना?
thank you, sir.
बस
Thank you
अभी
very
लग
much.
जाए और प्लांट को सेफ तरीके से वापस ट्रैक पे लाना, किसी चीज पे भी कोई कंप्रोमाइज नहीं करना, कोई सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन, कोई भी हेल्थ प्रिकॉशन में बिल्कुल कोई गुंजाइश नहीं का, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है ना? यही आज का सबसे बड़ा रिक्वायरमेंट है। तो आज के मौके पे हम लोग अपने आप को दोबारा डेडिकेट करें इस बात को कि इसमें बिल्कुल कंप्रोमाइज नहीं, कहीं पे भी थोड़ा भी शक शुबे आता है, कहीं पे लगता है फ्लैटनेस हो रही है, इमीडिएटली उसको नोटिस कराइए, मिलके आगे बढ़ेंगे तो जीतेंगे, वो तय है। ठीक है जी।
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. We
हाँ, साइकिल स्टैंड जी।
in the meantime, when we'll be having Mr. Gautam Biswas, will be giving a presentation after this. I have the honor of inviting Radhaji here, who's also watching this video with me, with everybody of us. I put on your
Hi,
video and on to Radhaji.
I have started my video. I'm not sure if it's on yet or not because there are connect.
It is
It's on,
visible
ma'am.
and you are audible.
Okay.
You're audible and visible, ma'am.
Okay. First of all, happy Environment Day to all of you. Sorry, I also have my daughter with me who's being a little difficult right now. 1 minute, please. Just give me 1 minute. Keshvi, you want to say happy Environment Day to everybody? Come here. Come here. Now tell everybody happy World Environment Day. So that's she should be saying happy World Environment Day to all of you. Although she doesn't know the meaning of this term yet, but I'm sure with our help, we will teach our children the importance of today. 1 minute, please. Just give me a second. Sorry about that. So today's theme for World Environment Day is time for nature. And there is another big white elephant in the room called COVID. And I believe there's always a silver lining to every dark cloud. And कोविड के आने के बाद जब हम सबको घर पे रहना पड़ा फॉर 2 मंथ्स, हमारे पास किसी के पास चॉइस नहीं था, उसका सिल्वर लाइनिंग ये निकला कि जितना प्रेशर एनवायरनमेंट के ऊपर आता है जब हम एक्टिव होते हैं, जब हम घर से बाहर निकलते हैं काम के लिए, हम दूसरी जगह जाते हैं और नॉर्मल डे जीते हैं, जब हमें घर पे रहना पड़ा तो वो प्रेशर ईज हुआ एनवायरनमेंट के ऊपर. एंड this is not just something that I'm saying just for the sake of it. There are multiple examples that I have been noticing in the environment, and others have also shared with me. For example, there is a family in Delhi, very close to us. They told us that many migratory birds, जो normally उन्हें कभी नहीं दिखते हैं, they came to their gardens. And यहाँ पर भी ऐसा न्यूज़ है कि वेरियस लेक्स जहाँ पे डक्स एंड अदर एनिमल्स शायद आना बंद कर चुके थे, वो वापस आए. When I go and stand in my balcony and smell the air, at least till 10 days ago, it was completely different. And probably आपके apps भी जो pollution track करते हैं, hazy है या polluted है, ये हमारे को आजकल normal app से भी पता चलता है. उसमें भी शायद कुछ different ही दिखा रहा था वो app for the 2 months that we were at home. इससे I'd like to take a message from this that just by staying at home, we made time for nature. Nature was able to recuperate, rejuvenate because जो abuse हम करते हैं nature को normally, environment को, वो कम था इस period में. और this is something that we've been doing for years now. And जब इतने सालों के pressure के बाद और abuse के बाद nature सिर्फ 2 महीने में turn around कर सकती है, कुछ improve कर सकती है, तो हम क्यों नहीं? Yes, आज हम 2 महीने प्लांट बंद रहा है, हम पीछे रहे हैं. But the message that I take from this incident is that if after years and centuries of abuse, if nature can turn around, then so can we. And we will come out stronger from this situation. I am very, very sure of that. हमारी टीम बड़ी strong है, confident है, और हम सब मिलकर इसके थ्रू जरूर निकलेंगे और स्ट्रॉन्गर निकलेंगे. When we were young, there was a poem हमारी हिंदी क्लास में हमें सिखाया जाता था ये poem. एंड उस टाइम ऑब्वियसली सिर्फ रोट लर्निंग करने का ही मतलब थॉट प्रोसेस होता था, ये नहीं कि क्या मतलब व्हाट इज द रियल मीनिंग ऑफ दैट पोएम हम कभी समझने की कोशिश हम शायद नहीं करते थे. बट आज जब वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे पे मैंने सोचा कि मुझे क्या बोलना चाहिए, तो ये पोएम मेरे दिमाग में आया. एंड दिस पोएम गो समथिंग लाइक दिस. पर्वत कहता शीश उठाकर तुम भी ऊंचे बन जाओ, सागर कहता है लहराकर मन में गहराई लाओ, समझ रहे हो क्या कहती है उठ उठ गिर गिर तरल तरंग, भर लो अपने मन में मीठी मीठी मृदुल उमंग, पृथ्वी कहती धैर्य ना छोड़ो कितना भी हो सर पर भार, नभ कहता है फैलो इतना ढक लो तुम सारा संसार. आई स्टॉप हियर. ये बहुत लंबा पोएम था, बट इतने सालों बाद भी ये पोएम मुझे याद रहा, और शायद आज जब मैंने सोचा तो मेरे को इसका मीनिंग समझ आया कि एवरीथिंग इन नेचर इज अ मैसेज टू अस ह्यूमन बीइंग्स अबाउट हाउ टू लिव आवर लाइव्स. And I only take this message from this COVID situation that if nature can bounce back, so can we, and we will. We all know how important environment is to all of us. उसके बिना हम exist नहीं कर सकते. Therefore, इस डे का इम्पोर्टेंस हम सब समझते हैं. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट दैट मोर. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट इस कॉम्प्लिकेटेड सिचुएशन में भी हम सब ने प्लांटेशन किया है, एंड हम साथ में नहीं कर पाए पर हम डिजिटली साथ रहकर इसको अवेयर मतलब एक्सपीरियंस कर पा रहे हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो द पावर ऑफ डिजिटल. एंड आम्फन के बाद आई थिंक इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट कि हम एक नहीं एक से ज़्यादा ट्रीज प्लांट करें. शायद आज ये पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट इन दिस ईयर आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट दैट द टीम टेक्स दिस एज अ कॉल फॉर एक्शन. एंड सिर्फ not only just at work and not just at Kharda, but all other locations, especially Haldia, which has suffered the most after Amphan, we plant trees because thousands and thousands of trees got uprooted during this storm. And it is our responsibility that we contribute to their rehabilitation in whatever way we can. It may not maybe मतलब बूंद बूंद से सागर भरता है, और शायद ये छोटी छोटी बूंदों से ही हम अपने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को पूरा कर पाएंगे, बट वी शुड ट्राई. एंड जो घर पे कर सकता है वो घर पे करे, और जो घर पे नहीं कर सकता वो जिस भी तरीके से अपने जो अगर आपका कोई वेजिटेबल गार्डन है या कोई प्लांटेशन है, बालकनी है या टेरेस गार्डन है, जो भी है, आप उसको बड़े प्यार से रिहैबिलिटेट करिए. और हम सब भी यही चाहेंगे कि वर्क पे भी हम ये कर पाए इन आर वेरियस लोकेशंस, और हम ये करेंगे if not today, maybe a few months down the line. Today I just want to say this much that on the 7th our plant is restarting after 2 months of shutdown. This and I also look at it as a new beginning for all of us. At the same time, We all have been asked to follow a very strict SOP with regards to our own safety and the safety of our plant. Please take it seriously. There is no room for any relaxation in this. In fact, if you notice others taking relaxation, it is your responsibility to point it out to them. This is not acceptable. And don't feel down, don't feel demotivated of this. Together, holding hands together, हम इसके बाहर जरूर निकलेंगे much stronger. I think that's all that I'd like to say today. Thank you so much for taking time out to hear me, and best of luck to all of us on this new journey, on this new beginning. And happy World Environment Day once again. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. That was a lovely speech that you've given us, in fact. It was about the uprooted trees in West Bengal. It's counting about more than 42,000 trees have been uprooted due to Amphan. I wouldn't like to waste any more time, and I'd like to ask Mr. Biswas to start off with his presentation. Mr. Biswas, could you put on your video and audio, please?
Good morning, everybody. Today is the World Environment Day. Today is the 5th June. Every year, we are celebrating this in a befitting manner in the electro-steel by planting samples, poster competition, and also slogan competition. And there is a massive arrangement. But due to the present situation of COVID, now today, this year, it is not possible to celebrate this physically. So we have arranged for digital awareness program, and on that day we have already there are some program like poster competition that is also digital, and slogan competition, and also plantation of samples, single plantation we have done by our CEO just before some time, and we have completed that event. Now I will say something about the World Environment Day theme and what are the significance of that theme. Guptaji, next. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. It is the United Nations objective to encourage awareness and action for the protection of environment. And it is the first held in 1974 for raising awareness from environmental issues to marine pollution, human overpopulation, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crime. And World Environment Day has grown now a global platform, and it is participation of with nearly 143 countries. Each year, World Environment Day has a new theme, and that major contributor is the NGO, government organization. All celebrities are involved in this program. Now, this year, the World Environment Day theme is some different, that is a celebration of biodiversity, and it will be hosted by the Colombia and with partnership with Germany. Why they have selected, UNEP has selected Colombia? Because Colombia is one of the large mega diverse nations in the world to hold 10% of the planet biodiversity. Since it is a part of Amazon rainforest, Colombia ranks first in the bird and orchid species and diversity. Second in planet, butterflies, freshwater, fish, and amphibians. So many biodiversities exist in the Colombia. That's why they have chosen this year the biodiversity as a global theme. Now, if we come to the chronological order, what are the theme of the previous year. In 1919, the theme was beat air pollution, and host country was China. This theme was chosen as it has been killing about 7 million people annually. In 2018, the theme was beat plastic pollution. Host nation was India, and it was hoped that people may strive to change their everyday life to reduce the heavy burden on plastic pollution. In 2017, connecting people to nature, host nation was Canada. Connecting people to nature in the city and the land, and from poles to the equator. This was done in the theme 1990. In 2016, the theme was Go Wildlife, and host country was Angola. The aim was to reduce and prevent illegal trafficking of wildlife. In 2015, 7 billion dreams, one planet, consumed with care. That is related to the theme, that is the energy conservation, energy of life. Now coming to the what is biodiversity. Biodiversity means biological diversity is the number and types of plants and animals exist in a particular region or in the world. Biodiversity is the diversity of life in an environment, and it is the important indicator of the environmental health. Both evolution and extinction account for the diversity on Earth today. And in this present situation, this biodiversity theme is very important because loss of this biodiversity will create so many diseases to the human beings. This is the main significance of this year's theme. Now coming to the what are the reasons why we should give more importance to the nature. There are 9 reasons. It captures carbon and locks its way. It is vital for clean air and water, and it is crucial for healthy foods, essential for wildlife and plants to strive, prevent flooding and soil erosion also. It is good for human health and well-being, fills with awe and wonder. Our legacy for children today and tomorrow, repairs the damage we have caused. These are all the reasons why we should care for the nature and more give some time for the nature. Now, what is the biodiversity loss? 1 million plants and animal species are facing extinctions, and we are taking the services of the nature, and our solution are in nature. So we have to save the nature, we have to create some time, we have to spare some time for the nature, well-being and well-being of the nature. Now, what are the causes of biodiversity losses? There are 2 types of biodiversity losses. One is natural causes, that we cannot stop it. Another is human driven. What are the natural causes? Natural forces can act to destroy the habitat species and individual organizations like volcanic eruption, flood, fire, and severe cyclone like Amphan. Very recently it has happened. And we have all seen that hot devastation has occurred Amphan. Now coming to the one by one, you see the loss of biodiversity due to volcanic eruption in Japan. This is the biodiversity. This is the cause of biodiversity loss. This is natural, not man-made. Loss of biodiversity loss due to flood. This one flood in the Kerala a few years back, and this is a flood in the Australia. That is loss of biodiversity, reason for biodiversity loss. Devastation due to Amphan in Calcutta. The first slide, first 2 slides is a devastation in Amphan in the Calcutta. Massive devastation, and so many trees are uprooted. Nearly 42,000 trees all over the West Bengal. More than that, I think. Also, devastation due to Amphan inside our factory also. We have shown some of the photographs, and we are now preparing to replant all those trees by our team members. This is the loss of biodiversity for forest fire. Forest in Australia, Amazon rainforest. A few years back, we have seen due to this natural fire, the huge species and animals have been died. And like you see the picture, huge amount of biodiversity loss. Half of the billion animal killed in Australia bushfire, and 2.3 billions of animal killed in Amazon rainforest fire. These are the animals has been lost from the nature. Now coming to the human-driven biodiversity loss, man-made cause of biodiversity loss. What are the reasons? Reason number one is the climate change, global warming. Due to the huge pollution, the global warming, man-made. Pollution of air, water, and land. Water system suffers from aquatic nutrient loads from fertilizer and agricultural products. Ocean are seeing raising of acidity levels caused by man-made pollution activity. Habitat destruction and degradation, mining due to mining, agriculture, settlement, industries, highways, and constructions. Human overpopulation, huge population density, huge activity and consumption of natural resources cause biodiversity losses. Human biodiversity loss, cutting of trees, you see the picture, and global warming. Second one is the global warming, pollution due to industries. This is deforestation. Fourth one is the deforestation. Last one is the fifth one is the marine pollution. Due to marine pollution, crocodile, it has died. Crocodile. This is extinction of loss of biodiversity. This is the species from Amazon rainforest and forest. That is, that species has been lost from the nature. This is also causes the biodiversity loss. Some of the endangered species in the nature that has been also lost, and in future also that is going to massive damage to the environment. That is creating very massive damage to the environment, and we must protect this endangered species. We have to try. So what are the solution? On account of this, I must tell, it is the time to wake up and take notice and rethink our relationship with the nature. It is the time to speak up, raise our concerns, and tell the world that we need action immediate before worth of nature creates massive devastation. This World Environment Day, let us feel here and speak up for nature, act now to save our biodiversity, and spare some time for nature. This is our actually future objective. You spare some time for nature, care for nature, and give some time of nature. You plant trees. These are our motto. Now, lastly, I will tell, as an electrician, we have very strong corporate environmental policy, and we are obeying all the rules and regulations, and we have a strong environment management program also. And through this environment management program, we are creating awareness among the people, and also we are following all the rules and regulations by the government. We are planting saplings. We have pollution prevention mechanism, also conservation of natural resources, like that. And I will promise that in future also we will obey all these things, and we will strengthen our team to act very promptly the damage of the nature. Lastly, I will request everybody to join our poster competition, slogan competition, and also plantation program. Digitally, we have done a single plantation this year, and I request everybody to participate in our poster competition, slogan competition. Link is given in the network, and you might be share some time and give the slogan and poster. And lastly, I will again tell, spare some time for nature, care for the nature, because it is the time for the nature. This is the picture of the previous year World Environment Day. Environment Day. And lastly, I will thank everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Vishwas. Thank you for the presentation. With an oath to take care for the nature of the future year. I was being nostalgic last time we had Raji and Nityank both together sharing the same platform with us, planting tree here for the house. In future also we plan to do such programs. Thank you everybody for being with us so much time. Thank you. And lastly, happy World Environment Day.
Thank you everybody for joining. I will take 1 or 2 minutes. I would like to share the status of present participation on poster and the slogan competition. So that I would like to share. And request everybody to give a push, because participation, we are expecting little more participation. So we seek your help to increase the participation. So far, we have received 82 responses on this. We are around 8,000 people. So out of that, 82 responses is little less than our expectation. So I request everybody, out of this plant is 87% in the electro-steel castings various location, 12% from Sri Kalahasti location. This is the graph you can see. I will increase the size a little bit. The Kharda works is 41%, 34 numbers. Then Sri Kalahasti, it is 10%, it is only 8 numbers is the from Kalahasti. Haldia works is the 18 numbers. Lavur works is the 2. Vasveria is the 15. So again, the Vasveria has done the wonderful. This time they have participated 15. The head office, the 2 participation. The head office Chennai, the 2 participation, and 1 from others. So this is the summary I wanted to, and this is the various departments. This is the sum of the photograph of people. Now the only slogan is the 29. People have participated in only slogan 50 people have participated only in the poster, and 28% have participated in the both. So, you see, in English, it is the 13 participation has came in English, it is about the slogan. Hindi, it is the 7 numbers. Bangla, it is the 26%. And Tamil, it is the 1. So, this is the few visual examples of the slogans. So, I request everybody to please share the link to our colleagues, because they are not on email, but they are very much available over the phone. So in this program, I will also share the link of slogan. I request please participate and encourage, motivate others to participate. So once again, I will thank you for joining in this digital event and making it grand success. I could see around 170 or 180 people have joined. So thank you very much. Due to template, your mic is mute, so I can't receive your voice response. But you can always give your feedback and response over mail about this whole event. Thank you very much. Thank you. Over to Subhendu to give the closing remarks.
Thank you, Gupta ji. Thank you for that details that you have given. I would again, after Gupta ji also, I would again request everybody to please participate in the slogan and nature care. Thank you for being with us for so long. Thank you very much until Gupta ji announces the next WebEx meeting, maybe sometime using next week or sometime. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. We are ending the meeting.